We have a special unboxing today. Actually, 2 boxes from our wonderful channel supporter, Carolyn M. So I did the dangerous scissors already. Are you ready, Mr. Hudson? Should Hudson start out with a treat?
Yeah.
There it goes. Extra good. Okay, ready, Hudson? Let's see. Let's see what's in here. Now, wait a minute.
Hudson.
All right, Hudson's back. Okay, sweet boy Hudson. Here's a card to James and Carla, and there's a sweet little puppy on the
Carolina.
And
fantastic job.
Butterfly and sticker on the back.
Oh, let me see those.
Here we go.
Let me see those. Nice. Fantastic.
Oh, James and Carla thinking of you, and the puppy's looking at the butterfly.
Oh, look. Hudson loves butterflies.
Oh, he does. He does. What does it say? We rented 500 local ducks and sprayed them gray. We started off with chickens, but the neck movements gave them away. Alfred Hitchcock, The Birds. Your hearts are like a fine-tuned morning harp, glorious and shining like a new chariot of joy. My dearest friends will not be denied. Your flowing bliss will reach so high. Oh,
that's lovely. Fantastic
Hudson,
job,
as often
Carolyn.
I smile, as often as I do, and Hudson with more butterflies, a sea turtle, flamingos. Kiss Hudson for me. From Carolyn M.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Oh, look at the sea turtle.
Yeah,
beautiful,
I love the flamingos.
Carolyn. Extra good.
Yeah, that is beautiful. Nicely written. My God.
Now, I know. Right off the bat, I spot more beautiful teas.
Oh, man.
Green tea with
nice.
Elderberry. Now that's
elderberry. I haven't had that yet. That sounds great.
We haven't had this flavor. That sounds extra
That sounds
good.
wonderful.
Green tea is very healthy for you.
That sounds. Oh, what's that one?
This sounds very seasonal. Peppermint bark, minty chocolate tea. Herbal tea. So instead of hot
minty
cocoa,
chocolate.
maybe this is. Would broccoli approve of this?
Yeah, broccoli says mint is good.
Instead of hot chocolate, right?
Yeah. Look at Hutch peeking around the box.
And then wait, one more tea. Ooh, hot cinnamon.
Oh yeah, love our cinnamon.
Old spice with a sweet heat.
That's nice when it's cold out. Yeah, very nice.
Yeah, those are all perfect. And it's been chillier
Yeah,
in
it's been chilly. It has.
So we need our tea. We do.
Yep, sure do.
Okay, so now right off the bat,
look at
I don't know if there's something in here or if this is just but let's get back to that one because that has tape. Right off the bat, I spot. Look at this.
Beatles.
Collector series, A Hard Day's Night. The Beatles.
Oh, that is great.
Running time 92 minutes. Oh my God, we're gonna have a great. We never watched this. That's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, that is beautiful, Caroline M.
Extra good.
Catch up on some Beatles. Nice job. Look at a nice case. Yeah.
There's more. Put that one down because we've also got the Dave Matthews Bands, the videos, 1994 to 2001.
Nice. Oh, I remember that. Yeah.
Wow.
Wow, that is beautiful. Dave Matthews.
Extra good.
Fantastic. Looking forward to that.
More. Wait, live at Wembley Stadium. Queen. The DVD collection. Now this one.
Oh my God, Freddie Mercury.
2 discs, and there's one live at Wembley Stadium, and also Unseen with new interviews with Brian May and Roger Taylor.
Oh, nice.
Wow, and rehearsal and on concert.
Oh, that is fantastic.
So that's really cool.
Oh, you know Freddie Mercury could put on a show. Oh my God, look at the track list.
I know, right?
Oh, that is fantastic. Caroline M, fantastic job.
And there's more.
Oh, what is that one?
The Wall Live.
Oh, wow. Pink Floyd.
Is
nice.
Anybody out there?
Yeah, I haven't seen this one.
Wow.
Let me see.
1980 to 81.
Yeah, this is very cool packaging, too. Is there anybody out there? Yeah. Wow, that is cool.
Aren't those awesome?
Yeah,
oh
8081, The Wall Live. Wow.
You're going to keep us busy for a while.
Yeah, beautiful stuff.
Now, I think there might be something
Caroline M, fantastic job.
tucked in here. I don't have scissors. So
look at Hutch peeking down. Hutch, you want a treat?
I think he's good.
Hutch.
Boop. I'll give it to him. But he's
Caroline M, love it. Here. Absolutely fantastic job.
Wait.
Easy, Hutch.
I think he got startled.
Yeah. I don't think he likes the styrofoam noise. I'm going to go get a knife or scissor or snips. Hudson's like, what is that noise? Huds, what do you think? Oh, Caroline M. Love it. Beatles.
I got it.
Dave Matthews Band. Pink Floyd. Queen. Oh.
Oh my God. It looks like Hudson.
Oh my God.
Once upon a time there was a boy who really loved dogs. That was me. The end. O-M-G.
Oh, look at that. It's like a vintage sign.
Look. Wait.
It's tin.
Look.
Look, it looks just like him. Oh my God. Caroline M, that is so...
Down at it.
Yeah, he's like, that's me. Caroline M, that is beautiful. Wow. Fantastic stuff.
Oh, I
Yeah,
love
let me see it.
Thank you, Carolyn.
That is awesome. Caroline M.
Is it showing up okay? Because it's under plastic right now.
Yeah, no, it looks beautiful. Beautiful. It looks just like the Hudster.
Oh, the markings.
Yeah.
It's just like Sweet Boy Hudson. I'm going to put it right here.
Oh, I love it.
Extra good. Now, there's something else.
Ooh.
There's more. Oh, wait. There's another big tin thing.
Huds, what do you think of all this?
Hold on.
He doesn't like the styrofoam.
Yeah, he doesn't like the styrofoam noise.
And there's leaves blowing around. It's windy today, guys. Ah, Caroline M. We got our watching planned for us now.
We do.
That is awesome.
Do you think I should go get scissors?
Oh, that's my water. Look at Hudson's helping himself.
Do you think I should go get
Honey,
scissors, James?
yeah, I'm going to pause it.
Okay, I have the scissors now.
Yeah.
So, Hudson shouldn't be
Hudson's
upset.
here.
Okay.
Ooh, look at this little foot falling off.
Hudson, we're using...
Look at his foot.
No. We're using scissors now.
Oh, I love everything. Caroline M. Oh, what is that?
Everything will kill you, so choose something fun. And look at it, it's an homage to Kami Karla. Snorkeling.
Yeah, look, it's grabbing her tank, the big clam.
Well, yeah, she's scuba diving, but isn't that adorable?
Oh, that's great.
Oh,
that is great.
You summed up Kami Karla perfectly,
Yeah, that
Caroline.
looks like you in there.
Extra.
Look, this.
Extra.
The octopus is grabbing your foot.
I know.
And look, a moray eel. Oh, that is beautiful.
Now, there's one more bag. There's one more bag with treats.
Oh, Caroline M. Just beautiful.
What's this, Hudson?
Oh.
What's this?
Ooh. Hudson's sniffing. He's saying it's safe. Yeah, he took a good sniff.
Oh my God.
Oh, wow. Oh, for Carl. Oh, that is beautiful.
Oh my God.
Oh, Huds, what do you think?
Look at this necklace. I'm going to put it on.
Oh, that is dope. Caroline M, that is awesome. Caroline M. Just fantastic job. Oh, Carla loves that.
Oh my God.
Look at that. That is sick.
I love it.
Here, let me come close. Oh, that is great.
I love it.
Oh, man. Yeah, that's totally silver,
and there's
Carla.
another one.
Oh, no.
There's two.
Oh, man.
Wow.
That is cool.
Oh my God. Let me put this box aside. Hudson, look at this.
Oh.
Wow.
Look at the links. Wait, let me get it in focus. Hang on. Yeah, I got it.
I'm going to put this one on too.
Oh, man. Those are... Oh, Carla loves those.
You know, Carolyn, you know I love my silver.
Ah, beautiful chains. Oh, it goes great with your starfish.
Does
Greg
it go?
Wolf? Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, those are... Oh, fantastic job.
Oh my God, you made my day with these. Oh, I love them so much. And James, we were looking for more chains.
More chains, yeah.
We're always on the lookout for more chains. Every time we go to the Chelsea Flea Market in Manhattan, I always look for silver chains, but I've never found like ones in a while that I really, really like. So these are awesome.
Yeah, fantastic.
Extra good. Oh my God.
Oh, what a fantastic job.
There's another box.
Woo! More.
Now, I already did the dangerous scissors. Should Hudson just stay laying on his bed?
Yeah, he's comfy now.
All right, let me get the
We'll bring him up
off.
good. Yeah.
It says, you said something about cookbooks.
It's a
Thank you
cookbook.
for your videos, Carolyn M. And look, more tea.
Oh, love our tea.
For James, for
tummy
for
time.
his tummy, more green tea with lemon.
Nice. Lemon. Love it.
Ooh.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
And, eggnoggin. An exceptional winter tea.
Eggnog tea.
I never heard of eggnog
No, I
tea.
can't wait to try these.
Oh my God.
These are
and
so...
cranberry
Oh,
Wait
your
a
chains
minute.
look amazing,
Very
buddy.
Florida, toasted coconut. I've never heard.
Ooh.
Carolyn, these are great flavors.
Yeah, get the
Oh
steel
my
drum out.
God.
James will put on his grass skirt.
Pumpkin spice.
Nice.
There's all sorts of great flavors. And caramel apple.
Oh,
Ooh.
beautiful. Love them.
Ooh, Coney Island
Those
vibes.
chains look so awesome.
I love them.
Yeah.
And wait. Look at this.
Oh, there's paw prints.
It's a magnet. Paw
Ah.
print magnet.
Yeah, it looks like Hudson walked on the
Guitar
fridge.
magnet.
Oh, the guitar, nice.
Another paw print.
Nice.
And then look at this. You know this iconic shot.
Ah, Abbey Road.
Yeah.
You got it.
And look at this.
Oh, keep calm and make
and
coffee.
make coffee.
Oh, that's perfect.
Those are perfect.
Yeah, love
Perfect,
it. Love it,
perfect,
love it.
perfect.
Oh, man.
Let me lay them out.
Oh, fantastic job.
Extra good.
I can't get over those chains. They're so perfect.
I know. And then wait a minute.
Oh, wow. What is this?
Wow.
Woo! Look at the
Wow.
size of it.
Wow. Oh my God, it's so heavy.
Holy
wow,
cow. Look at that.
Wow.
What is that?
America's Test Kitchen, the complete America's Test Kitchen TV show cookbook.
Oh.
Every recipe from the hit TV show, along with product ratings from 2001 to 2023, includes
Oh
the
my
latest
God.
season, the 2023 season.
Oh, that is perfect.
Wow.
Look at that.
Enjoy, Carolyn M.
Oh my God.
Oh
Look at
my
it. Think of
God.
Oh, you
Now-
got to get to work, hon.
And a cute little bookmark.
Little bookmark.
There's
What's on there? A
soups.
polar bear?
Yes.
Nice.
Soup, salad days, suppers, chicken, talking turkey and all the trimmings, steak, pork chops, roast,
Oh.
dinner. Who wants pasta? Italian favorites. Oh, I do.
Oh,
the
sure.
flair of the French Tex-Mex, Asian favorites. Let's get grilling. With beef, poultry, pork, lamb, seafood, vegetables, sides aplenty. Come from brunch. Please pass the bread. Cookie jar favorites. A piece of cake.
Nice.
Pudding, soufflés, and more. Classic fruit desserts. Keep your fork. There's pie.
Oh, beautiful.
Which one should I just go to? Like
Random.
Okay. How about a dessert?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go towards the back. I'm assuming. Ooh. Apple crumble.
Broccoli says apple good.
Why this recipe works. Making an apple crumble that tastes primarily of apples starts with plenty of fruit. Oh.
Ah,
We toss 4 pounds of apples
nice.
with 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to enhance their bright flavor.
Nice.
Adding just 2 tablespoons of brown sugar to the filling keeps the apples from tasting too sweet.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Wow. Oh my God.
Oh, Caroline, M,
and
fantastic
there's
job.
beautiful illustrations,
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
like pictures with it too.
Yeah, to make sure you know how it's supposed to come
Oh,
out.
and you know what? This is really helpful. They talk about all the different pans.
Oh, yeah, like what they're for and stuff?
Right,
What
that
they're
you
best
should
for.
be using too. So that
Oh,
way, you know,
God, what a reference.
like you're not
Fantastic.
confused or anything like
Oh,
that.
that is fantastic
Oh
job.
my God, Carolyn. Boy, I mean, cookbooks. Look at this one.
Yeah, that's
this
a-
is the mother load, right?
Yeah,
wow,
that is beautiful.
James was like, yes.
Yeah, exactly. Thumbs up, Caroline M.
Cooking with Karla, K-O-O-K-I-N-G with Karla.
Fantastic
oh my God.
job.
Carolyn M, thank you so much.
Yeah,
This was
everything
so
so
sweet,
beautiful.
so thoughtful. Everything.
Yeah, everything is so thought
I
out.
mean, I'm blown away.
Yeah,
blown
love it.
away. And thank you again.
Yeah, those chains are great.
Yeah, they're just you got it so right, so right.
Yeah.
Here, let me move the ginger
We'll be
scissors
watching our
away.
DVDs and
Oh,
eating
We're set.
Carla's baking.
We're set. Thanks, Carolyn.
Thanks, Carolyn.
Extra good.